Hello everyone, welcome to Studious Wanderer. In this short video, I'll show you minimum and 8 important customization or accessories you can have for all new Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220 BS6 model. We'll show you some clips before modification and after modification, and then we go for some off-road ride. Do check the description for the links of these accessories. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe because the channel is new. I'll also ensure a follow-up video on the installation process of these accessories.